Anyhow we be, we must deal with those boys. Because that money where that woman give us will not go to waste.
You see about that money, we don't chop more. See, if we don't deal with these boys, this woman will deal with us. She go drag us. See her here. She go drag us.
See my guy, sometimes I don't know as they reason. She can't do anything. We don't ask her for money. We don't go ask her for work. Now she carry business proposal come. So why, nah guy, they think well sometimes.
Nah, calm down. Nah, calm down. The way they talk this thing, I know they understand. The way I take see that woman, person will go get mind. Pay you money to keep person. If only they play, is it play with you? Is it playing?
Okay, fine, good and fine. Tomorrow we will start our work. We will start the woman work tomorrow. Very simple.
No one day now. And you say, and tomorrow we need to plan ourselves well, to bring head, not to bring bread. So we go strategize very well. And we allow to Boko about our plan for tomorrow. So make him to plan himself. If we go bring idea, make him bring idea.
Correct. You think fast.
In that case, we don't get time. We know where we meet ourselves. So we'll try come out on time. So people don't go begin to suspect us. That one ain't the important pass. So everybody disembark.
How do we move now? We follow this place. We go like this. We are go flow like this. Watch our person they come.
This tree.
To go and wash your clothes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Please don't look for trouble, oh.
I don't look for trouble now. We not with that on our own. Well, Papa, we not say we need to find trouble.
I know.
Yeah, but if anybody find our trouble, we go try a lesson.
Please. I was just trying to remind you, so you just avoid any kind of trouble.
Okay.
Biko. Okay, my boys, be safe, oh. Be safe.
Okay.
See, today. Monkey go market if you no go come back.
But una dey sure say those boys never waka pass. No. I'm not sure. I check now, it's too early for those small ants. When they waka by this time, they come outside.
Correct.
You understand?
Yes.
This the time still dey.
In that case, we go find somewhere we go hide. Make them not see us. Me and you go this side. When I took go this side.
Why you say make we go this time?
If we go like this, now make we stand me then dey.
I support. Why we go that for?
Like
Why we no follow them day back? You turn the go.
If you don't see them, make shout. Come.
Okay.
We Gedinka. This phone is not ringing. Neither is it connecting. And this boy has not called. Let it not be that I've entered into this Wayo boy's handle. Let's see. Hey. Welcome, my husband. No. Say. No.
This one you are smiling at me. I hope I'm safe.
When has it become a crime for a wife to smile at her husband? What can I say?
Well, you know, a man who is stung by a bee runs away from the tiger fly.
Now waiting be your suspicious for this house. See my armpit. One single hair. Or drop where?
But we know where the hairs Boko. That's by the way. But you know, my suspicions about you are never wrong.
Then what are you suspecting me for now?
You know what you're up to.
Game up, I don't know. Welcome.
Olas, you know what you're up to.
Welcome.
Hey! Abalan one chance.
You been there do anyhow, that's not before. Udo done land here with it too much power. No more fear, no more intimidation. Udo guna pempe, udo bulagu. Somebody big engine.
All of us supposed to vest. No good vest. No good vest. No good suit our face.
You don't see my face? Now only you the best. You don't see my face? Ah! God!
Boko. Let me they laugh.
Wait till they funny me. There's no small rats take this figure all of us. Omo, the thing be like Nollywood film, oh. See as them disfigure Ewi.
Thunder fire you. They use me to learn English. Waiting can concern this figure concern waiting to me now.
Those boys have vandalized you. They have finished you. Those small as they finished you.
See they talk.
Hey. I mean, they vest like this, so. Hey.
And that contract woman they call me.
She they call you?
Same now. Polo. What I want to hear now?
They tell and say tell us we don't catch the boys and say we don't deal with them.
You don't cut.
I'll be put up for flight tomorrow.
This phone is not. It's not ringing. Eh? I hope these boys have not swindled my money. Eh? It's not even. It's ringing. Pick your call. Pick this call. Hey, pick your call. Hey. Hello? Why have you not been taking your calls? Eh? So, you have not done that? Eh? Small? Did I pay when I gave you that money? Did I say you should be trying small? Did I give you that money small? See, if you know you are not going to do anything, please return my money. Let me look for someone else that can do it. What? What did you say? Hey, no now. My friend, no now. It has not gotten to that now. Hey, Mban. Calm down. Choy! This boy got call on me. Olasimua. Hey! Am I dreaming?
Auntie sister, but you cannot be here. Take it easy, mama. Wickedness, we lead you to nowhere. I'm a sankia, I'm a conyosa. If we get not tomorrow, one year. But remember, no be do the way you know before, be this year. Somebody big engine. carry power. No look size here. Oga walking alone. That's Superman he be. He carry power. No look size here. He go show you pepper. Somebody big engine. He carry power. No look size here. Oga walking alone. That's Superman he be. He carry power. No look size here. He go show you pepper. Auntie sister, but you cannot be here. Take it easy, mama. Wickedness will lead you to nowhere. I'm a son, I'm a conyosa. Ekwugina tomorrow, one your job. But remember, no be do the way you know before. Be this year. So nobody big engine.
Ulasi, what is boiling in the pot?
What pot? What are you cooking that is boiling?
You have been behaving very strangely this afternoon, and I'm wondering what is making you to behave in this manner.
Is one of my customers. She asked me for credit and I accepted for 20,000 naira. And she promised to pay in 3 days' time. Since then, I've been calling her. The phone is not connecting. Our number is not going. You see, maybe it's the one flashing. Hey!
Wait, God, but is it 20,000 naira that is making you to give yourself this high blood pressure?
So 20,000 naira is not enough to upset someone?
No, I mean, I've never seen you in this mood before because of money. That's why I'm wondering.
Okay, since 20,000 naira has become ordinary, give it to me. Let
me say, there is nothing wrong in a husband caring about the wife and being concerned of her welfare.
Ogoro, I am not in your mood this morning at all. I'm not in the mood. At all.
Okay, which mood are you in so that I can cue in? Which mood?
Leave me alone, let me be. Oh, something is happening to me. Oh,
Hey, Lassie, Ikoga Adam Amari Kogi. Whatever is happening to you is only you who knows.
Child, okay. This boy does not know me. He doesn't know me. Want to try me, this stupid boy. So this stupid boy is holding my 20,000 naira. And he's talking to me like this. If he tries me, hey, I will deal with him. I will deal with this boy. What do you mean by now? Who be this? Don't you have my number anymore? Meaning what? Waiting be say make I know they call your number again. Say me and you will have an unfinished business. Oh. What? What? This boy ain't calling me. Hey, you wanna what you him? What you calling him now?
Auntie sister, but you cannot be here. Take it easy, mama. Wickedness will lead you to nowhere. I'm a son, I'm a conyosa. Ekwugina tomorrow, one your job. But remember, no be do the way you know before. Be this year. So nobody big
I still the wonder What will go tell this woman if she can't ask us for her money?
Don't tell me I still hear the thing since so. We never even complete the contract that she pay us the money for. And money we don't chop them. Now what do go find you?
How one do? We never try. See, the best thing we go do, now to carry this woman money, give am back before she go involve police for this matter. Oh.
Hey. See, when I too dey stress on herself, I don't know they worry on herself. I get my plans. I have my plans.
Plans quoi? We plans quoi? Person give you contract to do, you know execute them. Instead, what you go to think of how to solve the matter, if you talk say you get plans. See, me I don't want wahala. Oh. You see this thing now, na problem won't come out. And now only 5 baht I chop for that money. As you they say me so, I no mind to go anywhere, go borrow money just to pay back. Oh. I don't want wahala.
Oboko, see my problem with you be say you don't carry fear build yourself. I mean, no good. See my turn off for now. I know they fear that two man. Yes.
You see?
I know they fear that two man. The only people why they fear are those two small boys. If that woman para too much, I'll go tell you say the woman pause make you kill him. You go face the woman.
Wait, not true. Ewi, not true you talk. You get sense so. I even hear say that woman who the papa wife for. Yes.
You mean am? But why she won't come kill you if not the papa wife?
Wait, I know so I take care of her.
See, first, this is as everybody the patrol. Yes, sir. And I saw from now, if they see us, they're gonna run. I'm Jake. See, passing as they run.
I don't even know who to talk to. I don't even know who to ask questions in this village. But I'm not leaving this village until I talk to Ewita and his friends. I'm not leaving.
I say good afternoon.
Yeah, you can.
Good afternoon.
Keep that greeting for yourself or keep it for your dead mother till you finally meet her in the land of the dead. Did you hear me?
Auntie, I go to the talk.
Nkem, see, I am looking for some boys. I'm looking for Ewita and his friends. Do you know their whereabouts? Yes.
Ewita and his friends. I know them. I saw them for road as they come.
Where?
That side.
So I should go like this?
Yes.
Thank you for the information. Dal, thank you.
Daddy, good afternoon.
Ugo?
Daddy. Where's mommy?
I don't know. She didn't tell me where she was going. I'm going for a meeting.
Okay.
Yes, I know you should be hungry.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, good. I'm sure she left food for you in the kitchen. Okay. So change your dress. Pure tarapia for you are free.
Yes, Daddy.
And before you know it, I'll be back.
Okay, Daddy. Daddy, take care.
Yes, my dear.
Daddy, don't stay long.
No. Before you know it, I'll be back.
Okay, Daddy, take care. Bye-bye.
It's all right. So let me go.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Wele!
My boys. That was fast though. I hope you got everything on the list.
Yes, Mama. People say you go like our market. Yes, sir.
And about those boys, I hope you did not see them on your way.
Auntie, I should come back from market. we see them a big race. They run.
So they did not attack you people?
Yes, sir. And I said, they will see us for ourselves. As they see us, all of them call they run. They can't carry everything for back.
Really?
Yes, sir. We see until last for road. As she said, she can't tell us yeah, Evita and his friends.
Why is she asking about Evita and his friends? Does she know them?
I don't see her. If it's still the way she tell, even because herself. No man, a very wicked woman.
Hey. Really sorry, don't worry. Don't worry, everything will be fine. I believe that one day, by God's grace, she will realize her mistakes and come back to beg you. Okay? Don't worry. Just ignore her attitude. Okay? Okay, you can go inside and bring a tray so I can see what you brought. This is my boy. See, people are smart, oh.
What kind of wahala is this? Hey! What kind of wahala is this with these boys? But wait. In as much as I am desperate to see these boys, I must be careful so that I don't look suspicious in this village. Let me be discreet. Let me try their number again. It's ringing. Pick up your phone.
This contract woman, they call me again.
Now she they call you. Pick her now. Pick her. Put her for loudspeaker.
Okay. Hello? See, madam, I don't tell me no they call my number again. No, they call this number again. I go call you, madam. No, they call my number. My village. You know my village? See, madam, I tell you, I know the village. As I dey talk to you now, I dey town. And I go come back in 2 weeks' time. You say? Hello? Hello? Wait, network. Hello? Hello?
Come out your battery.
No, I put them for flight mode.
So this woman down our village like this.
Now so she talk.
She dey fit. Na serious wahala we dey like this.
See what we go do now. We go enter bush. We go inside bush. We go dey there till evening. By then she go don go back.
Hey, woman, na serious wahala we dey like this.
Go move for this side.
Hey. See my voice, so you bought so well. In fact, you bought like adults.
Mama, thank you, don't mention.
Hey. Okay, so take this tray inside so you can start cooking. Since you saw your stepmother will last you on the road, she might want to come here. So we better start cooking so that food will be ready before she gets here.
Auntie, wait. Auntie, don't worry. Auntie Lassie, no can ever come here.
Why do you say that?
She no can ever come. Now because she no want see me. If she come here, she go see me. And me, I don't want but she come here.
You cannot be so sure. She might want to come here considering she saw both of you on the road.
Yeah.
Not to raise any form of suspicion. So let's start cooking before she gets here.
Okay.
Take them inside. Take this one. Take this one inside. Keep it where I keep the bags.
Mazi, Ndewo. Well done, sir. Please don't be offended. My name is Olase.
Okay.
I am looking for one Ewita Igwebike.
Ewita Igwebike is my son, and I am Igwebike.
Yes. Yo, somebody actually recommended him for a business for me.
Okay.
So since then I've been trying to get him on phone. I've been calling his line. He's not connecting or switched off. I don't know.
Well, I don't know. I don't know where Ewita is now. You know, and when I get home and he comes back, I will tell him that, you said your name is Olase?
Yes, Olase.
I will tell him that one Olase looked for him.
Yes.
And that you said that you were calling his number and he was not connecting. So that maybe he would want to call you back.
Okay, better. Dan.
The elders have decided to have a meeting concerning those bad boys.
That is good.
I know you'll be
It is
happy.
very, very good. It is long overdue.
Yes, and the meeting will be holding here in our house, as usual.
Okay. My husband. Our boys said that on their way from the market, they saw Olase.
Olase, Udude's stepmother.
Yes.
What was her mission in this village?
I don't know. They said she was asking after Ewita.
Ewita, is it not the son of Igwebike?
Yes. I took it for granted that she would come by the house.
Then did she come?
She didn't, oh. She did not come. Just exactly as Yudi predicted.
Oh, Yudi says so?
Yes, with a resounding confidence. And to my mind, I have been wondering, why would she be looking for Ewita? Ewita of all people.
Listen, my wife. As long as Olase came to this village, she did not come by our house. And she didn't bother to ask about us. We have nothing to bother about, whatever took her to this village.
Okay.
Whatever her mission is.
Okay.
Of course. Because when a strong wind blows, it will always reveal what is behind the chicken.
Oh, my husband, you are right.
Of course. I know what I'm saying.
I was only, worried.
No. Don't worry yourself. It's okay. It's okay. I think we are here. We shall hear it.
Okay.
Hey, Winter.
What is wrong with your foot?
Okay. No, nothing.
Nothing, but you're limping.
Papa, nothing. Nah, just something way just touch me for leg. When I follow my friend, they pursue rabbit.
You see? So you were involved in an accident. You see, they say that the fly that refuses sound advice follows the corpse to the grave. And the stubborn grasshopper always rests in the belly of Okpoko the bird.
See, Papa, beg. I don't want this your church advice. Advise yourself, Papa. I don't need them.
The gods know that I have tried for you. I was ready to send you to school, but you chose to be running around with those useless boys, pursuing after rats and rabbits. See where you are now.
See, Papa, I beg. If my mother alive, all this is where they talk now, I don't get your time. I don't get time for this is where they talk. I beg, leave me. Just do on your own mind, do my own, I beg. Papa, beg, they go, I beg.
See it. You see it. What can I do? I have tried. I'm only a father, and I have done everything that a father is supposed to do for his child. But see it. I will not kill myself. I will not.
Oh God.
Hey! You see, read the instructions carefully. So that you'll be sure you are so that you'll be sure you are doing the right thing.
Yes, Daddy.
Ha! Read the instruction first and foremost.
Good afternoon, my husband.
Mommy, you're welcome.
My dear, how are you?
No, I'm not. When I did not see you since. Mommy, where did you go to?
Hey, I hope you didn't miss me so much.
I miss you now when I didn't see you.
Don't bother yourself. I'm back now, okay? I'm back. I'll take care of you.
Olase, where did you go? Where have you been since morning?
Did I not tell you I was going to see somebody that was owing me? I went to get my money.
So because you went to get your money, you didn't think it necessary to let me know where you were going?
I'm tired.
Olase, I agree that before you before you behave yourself.
Elders of Ugwete, I greet you all.
We greet you.
Thank you. We all know why we are gathered here. It is for the good of the community and to call to order some group of young men who have turned to something else. For your information, the Igwe is aware of this meeting and has requested that we communicate to him the outcome of the meeting. Having said that, Aleka here has something to tell us. Aleka, over to you.
Thank you. My fellow elders, it is always said that if one fails to look for his black goat in the daytime, when it gets dark, it becomes very difficult to see that goat. I was nearly beaten up by some young men in this community. Igwebike's son was the head of that assault that day. I have gone to his house to lay my report, and he is aware of the assault. He's aware of it.
It is said by our people that if one fails to lick his lips during the Harmattan, the cold, dry wind of the Harmattan will do it for him. Some group of bad boys in this community, led by Ewita, the son of Ibebike, have turned to something else in this community. They harass children, they insult, and even assault adults. If we choose to do nothing about it now, we will live to regret it in the near future.
Nwadaka and Nwezem, they are all criminals.
Well, the best person to leave your property with is the thief.
Oh, yeah.
I suggest we send the fathers of these boys to them. Igwebike, Adaka, Ezem, they should warn their sons to desist from this reckless lifestyle or be ready to face the elders.
My fellow elders, I have heard all the things you said. And I'm going to take your message to my son, Ewita.
Thank you.
But I must confess before all of you that my son, he has grown beyond my control. So if there is any one of you that has any solutions to his bad ways of life, that person should come out and help me. This is a cry for help.
What can I say again? A man with a heady manhood doesn't know what the one with swollen one goes through. And a man cannot grow above his kinsmen. The young man now belongs to the community and not to the father alone. Therefore, all hands should be on deck. We must fight this battle together.
We have deliberated at length and we have all spoken well. I think the next line of action is for us to go back to our various communities and see what we can do for the betterment of our family and then for the community at large. Thank you very much for coming. Why are we watching the drink like that?
See, if you don't bring back my money, I will so deal with you mercilessly that nobody will see you and recognize you again. What is it? So, you are holding my 20,000 and you are talking to me like this, I will come to that village and I will deal with you mercilessly. You see. What will you do? What will you do? Jesus Christ. What? Look at this small boy. Look at this boy. This boy got the phone on me. This boy want to eat my money. I'll go to that village. I must go to that village. I will so deal with this boy, What's the meaning of this now? What is the meaning of this?
Hey. Who were you speaking with?
Ogo, please leave me alone. Do you remember that my customer? That one I told you that was owing me and he want to covet my money. So I'm trying to get the money for me. Don't bother.
Okay, who is this your customer that is trying to seize your money? Can you take me to meet him?
No. Relax yourself. Don't disturb yourself. I can handle it. I can handle it. Just a little fry. I can handle it. I can handle it. I will deal with that boy with law. I will deal with just don't bother.
Onye metara oburu
It's me. I'm the one that formed Mugrabi. And this boy want to eat. Mbano, by the time I get to that village and deal with those boys, and as for that boy, Ududo, I will never be alive in this house and see him amount to anything reasonable for his life. Never. Look at FIFA. Welcome. No.
Where are you going to?
Please, Ogun, leave me. Leave me, let me be now. Eh? Won't you allow me rest in this house? Eh? What is your problem? What is wrong with you?
You are the thing that is wrong with me. And the way I see you presently, Olassi, you are on your way to becoming a mad woman.
Back to sender. Prophet of doom. It is you that is already mad. You are the lunatic here. Again. What is it?
As long as you remain my wife, Olassi, I cannot leave you alone.
Well, I don't have the whole time in the world to stand here and banter words.
Hey, Agracha must come back.
It's all right. Adam, let's see what it will amount to.
Where are you people going like Satan to and fro?
Papa, listen. I dey respect you as my papa, but you know they respect me as your son. Today, authority don't find you come.
Bam! Authority?
Yes.
Who is the authority?
Now we be the authority now.
Mazi, we hear say you join meeting we plan to deal with us. So we don't come, make we...
I can see that you people have smoked your thing and you are now drunk. So you can stop me on my way to my house.
See, guys. I know they like this thing one they do. Make una no disrespect elder. Make una no disrespect elder.
No.
Mazi, sorry, sir.
Yeah, that's how you're gonna carry our name. They spread up and down. What do with this man? If we hear our name for your mouth again,
give it down. Give it down.
And you never play that woman. Give person poison chop. Eh? What is the meaning of this? Eh?
Mazaleka, we hear say you follow for people where they plan how to deal with us for this village.
Who are you to block my way and talk to me anyhow? Eh? Leave me.
You will soon know who we are. You will soon know who we are. Hey, take a easy now. This is an elderly man now. No disrespect elder, no disrespect Mazi. Sorry, sir. He a good man. No. And I know they like him. Come. Goodbye.
Follow. You follow.
Hey.
Are you going out?
Why are you asking?
Nothing, no. I just wanted you to buy me some boxes of matches on your way back from where you're going to.
Some boxes of matches. Are you burning bush?
My husband.
Anyway, how many boxes will I buy you?
Like 2 or 3 will be okay.
I see.
Yes.
By the way, where are these boys?
I sent them to Zoka's compound to buy me palm oil.
I hope they're all right out there.
They are fine. My husband, they should be fine. You know, since Ududa has been living with us, he has been dealing with all these rascals. So, I am confident that they are fine.
You're sounding as confident as ever.
Yes!
You never can tell.
My husband, I am very confident. They are fine.
I will buy it for you.
Okay, thank you. Be safe, huh?
The person need apple. Mumu go help the person now. What am the job the person? Huh? What do you want to say? Like go stay for you. Huh? I bet Mumu go look for the person. Okay. Open the place. What are you? That person is mad. Let it wish. You see him? I think somebody needs our help. You know, okay? Yeah, she no, Mazi, Aleka. Mazi, Aleka, tell us who do this thing.
Please, help me. Oh. Some people dragged me to this place and beat me up thoroughly. Yes. I beg, help me.
Mazi, Aleka, just try your best. Stand up. Okay. I will go help you. Just stand up.
No, I will try.
Okay.
I will try.
Yeah.
I will try you.
Mazelika, move follow you now.
No. I can manage. Yeah, I can manage.
Okay,
please,
bye-bye.
Please, don't forget to tell your father Mbata.
Okay.
What happened to me.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah. It's small.
Hey.
Which one are you eating? Itiboribo or Itimbori? Which one are you? Huh?
I'm trying to...
Wait, just multiply the numbers by 10 and you get all the answers. Huh?
Papa, did you hear that? Papa, that's mommy. Sorry. Jesus. Mommy, what is it? Papa,
Well,
Hi! It's a dream. I dreamt this.
Ulasi, what is it?
I saw Ududo in my dream. And Ududo was chasing me. With a sharp, big cutlass. And I was running. And I slipped.
Jesus.
I fell. Ududo now met me there and raised the sharp cutlass. Wanted to cut me. And I shouted and woke up.
Mommy, we heard your voice when you were shouting.
I told you, boys. I told you people, that boy, that little imp is a devil. He's evil.
Go and find out what is after you and leave my boy out of it.
You see, I know you will defend him. I know.
But Mommy, Ududo is no longer with us now.
Oh.
You don't know what is evil, my child. You don't know. They can operate from anywhere.
So go and treat your malaria before it gets into your brain and leave my innocent boy out of it.
Mommy, sorry.
He's defending him now.
Ukom, let's continue.
Every time.
Mommy, sorry.
This will not kill me in this house. I swear.
Good afternoon.
What kept you all this long?
Papa, we go help Mazi Aleka for push. When for that place when they will beat them.
What?
Yes.
Who were the people who were beating him?
Uncle, that one a good question. And to the look for road, we just hear one shout. We don't say please say the person need help. We can go inside the bush. As we can go, we can see Masaleka when lie down for ground. We can't carry him. Come out for the bush.
Where is he now?
In the house.
I suspect it must be those bad boys, Iwita and his friends.
Papa, exactly! Even talk.
Really?
Yes.
They will not go unpunished. We will know from this particular incident who are the real elders of this village.
All right. Hurry, go and give this oil to your mother. She has been waiting.
I think this game. Now for every time, yes. Mama, every time time don't end. So now, we want to fight every time. What the beat to every time, Papa? You want to kill her for us?
Please, leave everything you are doing now, Take this money. Take it. Go to the medicine shop. Tell the chemist man to give you medicine for pains. Medicine for pains. Please hurry up. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Go now.